All went back in pretty well. Didn't have too big an issue. Broke that brace. Pushed down on it a little bit too hard because it is kicked up. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to be putting this back in here. That's probably all I'm going to do today. It's already late and I'm really tired. So yeah, it's basically just putting this back in here, trying to get this square and my measurements right, and just kind of put it back how I had it before we took it apart is my main goal. But depending on how I feel, we may just put this back in and call it good. But if I feel better, allergies are really bothering me right now, and I took a Benadryl like at noon today, and I've been sleepy all day. So I actually fell asleep in the house and woke up and came out here to film a little bit. I was putting stuff back in the Bronco, so I'm pretty tired. So anyways, we'll mess it with it and we'll get our 17 right before we do any welding. But let's put you on the ladder over here and we'll start filming. All right, I think we got to a pretty good place. Gotta let this dry. Forgot this is the side that touches the kick panel. So we sprayed some Wealthy primer on it. Let me take that sticker off. But you can see, all went back in pretty well. Didn't have too big an issue. Broke that brace. Pushed down on it a little bit too hard because it is kicked up. And it wasn't that level. But now you can see it's pretty level. And then up here it's still kind of level. I need to push this down some more before we put the kick panel on it. And this is pretty tight back here. Got that in. Had to use these to bring the metal up. The screw was just spinning and it wasn't grabbing the metal, so these worked pretty well for that. I brought that up really good. A couple issues. The spot back here, once I start welding, and I get all these kind of filled in through here, kind of out here and up here. I'm gonna take my hammer and hammer that down so it's flat. And then same way with this little section right here, hammer that back down after I put some welds on it first. Tiny spot weld holes, but we'll manage. But I think it's looking pretty good. I got this back kind of flattened out better, but it says it's level from side to side and front to back. I mean, it's not perfectly level side to side, but it's close. Just need to push this down a little bit, then place the kick panel on there, and it's pretty good from back to front, being level. So I'm thinking we're getting pretty close. I think really close. I think next time we'll put the kick panel back on it, and I actually think I'm going to weld this right here first. I'm going to put a couple of screws in there to tie that back. We're going to spot weld that in first, and then kind of spot weld this. I think, let me put the kick panel in. Let's get to 17. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. I may go ahead and tie this in right here so we can put the kick panel on it and draw this down just a little bit more. And then we can tack the bottom of the kick panel in and the top up here. And then we're gonna have to come in on the back side and go through here. I may just turn the tire and put something over it. Anyways, get back in there, weld this up, and then try to get right in here from the top side down. And then from here on, there's gonna be those holes right through there. We'll weld those on the outside of the kick panel. I think at least that's the plan. I may get that lined up again. I'm gonna put some of those tech screws, kind of pull it together. But I think it's gonna hopefully come together pretty good. I'm pretty happy. But this looks really nice. I can't wait till we have it all welded in. No more tech screws, and we can kind of move back. Start moving back in here a little bit. I want to at least get to this seam line here. Make sure there's no rust holes here. Treat all that, and maybe get a coat of that bed liner type stuff, and put over all this. That way it's not just bare metal exposed. That way too, if I do trailer and bring it to a car show or something, I don't have to worry about it rusting. We do need to fill that hole in. But I may wait and just get that side done, and then do bed liner, like I said, up to this seam line here, and then start back on the bed. I heard people saying not to do this, the bed liner, until you get the body painted, and then you put, you know, bed liner over, because there might be some overspray or whatnot. If y'all ever experienced dealing with any of that, let me know if it's okay to do it right now, or should I wait till I have the body painted and everything. Just leave that down in the comments if you've done it before. Like I say, I've never done this before, so it's all new to me. But I think I'm gonna get the roll-in kind. Heard that's kind of a little bit better for durability and use. Anyways, regardless, yeah, looking good. All right, wait till that dries. Then we'll put the kick panel back on it. Pop a few tech screws in, making sure we got our gaps right, like right in here. I'm actually pull the Bronco out next time so I can measure off that side, which I don't want to move the jack, so I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. But so far, I think it's looking pretty nice. Just got to get it welded in. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of short video, but don't know what that was. Hope nothing's gonna fall. But we did get the pans back in. Everything's pretty level, side to side, front to back. I'm gonna leave the jack in there until we get everything tacked, because we gotta put the kick panel on next time. Forgot about painting that little spot there. But we'll get the kick panel back on it. I think I'm gonna start welding on this section right here first, kind of get that all tied in before I put the kick panel on it. Then I'll weld the kick panel onto that, and then weld it up here and right through here. I can get my fingers to go right. Hopefully that will tie that in, and then we can start going in and getting my bajillion holes filled. Feeling pretty good about it. I'll probably come back to bite me, but it went in really well, and I didn't have to manipulate the brace too much to get where I needed. So if all goes well, we may start welding next time. Hopefully I don't have to take anything back out. But anyways, we'll hopefully start welding first of next month. This side will be done, and we can move to the driver's side. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. It does really help the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is what we do. This kind of, I'm going to show you everything I do with the Bronco. I think one video is just me sanding it and stuff. But I'm planning on taking y'all over for everything I do to it. If I do farm out the body, I'll keep you updated on where it is, how it looks and stuff. But if not, then you'll get to see a lot of sanding in the future. But regardless, we'll get this done hopefully really soon. I'm hoping. But anyways, yeah, if you like this type of stuff, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I think last Friday is technically Saturday. I actually had to leave the house and drive down the road to get a better signal to upload. It's where I'm at. For a 15-minute video, it takes 2 hours. But if I go a few miles towards the city, or say city, the town, it's like 20 minutes. So I did that at 12:30 Friday night. Kind of don't like to do that, but I mean, nah, it is what it is. But regardless, I'm going off on something else. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.